So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create a free 3D room designer in browser without any software, that you can design your rooms in a 3D atmosphere for free. And it's a very basic software so that you can use it if you are a beginner also. Now in order to do it, all you need to do is to just simply open any of the web browser you have. Here you have to search for planner 5D com. Once you do that, just simply hit enter and wait for the site to respond. And once it get response, just simply go to this option which says get started. Once you tap on it, just wait for some time to respond. Maybe it will ask you to ask you for the sign in. Let's just skip this one and directly go to this option which says design your room. Once you click over there, and it will directly open this option which will you can use to plan your room. You can see multiple customizations are available for you that you can use. Just simply hit on this option which says plan your room and you are ready to go. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.